Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to day number 2. Yes, day number 2, week 1, fall 2024 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's class. Now, this is a question, or this is a similar question to what we did yesterday. And I need you to put your answer inside the chat. Do not write this down, just put your answer inside the chat. It says, using the digits 2, 6, 7, and 4, arrange them to produce the largest decimal number that is possible. So I need you to put your answer inside the chat. This is review. We did some questions like this yesterday. So put your answer inside the chat for me, please. Using the digits 2, 6, 7, and 4, arrange them to produce the largest decimal number that is possible. All right, put your answer inside the chat for me, please. I see Arsenio, Delancey, Asia, Grace. Thank you. Still waiting on one more person. And Vashti. Very good. Okay. Where's Najara? Najara Campbell. Oh, okay. She probably her internet. Okay, good. So Vashti, can you pronounce the number that you gave?
7,642.
Okay, and Asia, can you pronounce the number that you gave in the chat?
7,642.
Very good. And Grace, can you pronounce the number that you gave in the chat?
7,642.
And Arsenio, can you pronounce the number that you gave in the chat?
7,642.
Very good. 7,642. All right. So that's the correct answer. 7,642. Okay, good. Let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the topic for today. So one moment. So for today's class, we're going to be looking at these. We started off with place value, didn't we? And so we got to continue with that. Let me stop sharing my screen and share it again. Okay, so we would be here. All right. All right, so we started with this from yesterday, but we did not write the second part, all right? So we're gonna head up and then write the second part. So let's head up. Let's head up for today. One moment. All right, so so when you head up, make sure, right, today is not Monday, right? Today is Tuesday. The topic is place value. And this is part 1. But we can call it part 2 because we started it yesterday. May put my name as well, Mr. Petit. Okay, so now we talked about what we mean by place value. We did that yesterday, but we did not write the second part, right? And so that's what we're gonna write now. So let's use this. And we're gonna write this down. So write this down for me, please. So what this is showing is what we discussed yesterday. But I didn't give you all the opportunity to write this down fully. So go ahead, Najara Campbell. Can you read this, please, the place value?
The place value of 7 and 3,743 is 700 or 700. However, the place value of 7 and 7,432 is 7,000 or 7,000.
Yes.
Here, we can see that even though the digits are the same in both numbers, their place value changes with interchange in its position.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. And Arsenio, can you read this paragraph for me, please?
The place value of 7 and 3,742 is 700 or 700. However, the place value the however the place value of 7 and 7,432 is 7,000 or 7,000.
Uh-huh.
Here we can see that even though the digits are the same in both numbers, the place value changes with the change in its position.
Very good. The place value changes. The place value changes with the change in position. So even though you might be dealing with the same number, please write this down for me. Again, make sure write this down. Write this down for me. Grace, I need to see you inside of the camera. I cannot see you, Grace. All right. Okay, so here we see that, so we have the same number, which is 7, but the place value of 7 is different depending on the number or depending on the position of 7 in that number, okay? So the place value of 7 can be 7 ones. The place value of 7 can be 7 tens. The place value of 7 can be 700, or the place value of 7 can be 7,000. All that depends on where 7 is in the number that we're dealing with. All right, so the place value of a digit depends on the position of that digit in the number. Again, the place value of a digit depends on the position of that digit in the number. So Asia, are you finished writing?
No, sir,
Okay,
not yet.
can you read this paragraph for me, please?
The place value of 7 in 3,743 is 700 or 700. However, the place value of 7 in 7,432 is 7,000 or 7,000. Here we can see that even though the digits are the same in both numbers, their place value changes with the change in its position.
Very good. So what we're basically trying to say is we have 3,000. So let's look at the first number, 3,743. So that's the number that we have, right? 3,743. Grace, what is the place value of 7 in this number?
700.
700. Very good. Najara, what is the place value of 7 in this number?
700.
700. Very good. And Vashti, what is the place value of 7 in this number?
700.
Very good, 700. Now let's look at a different number. But remember, we're still looking at 7, right? Still looking at 7. So we have 7,432. And here, Asia, what is the place value of 7 in this number?
7,000.
7,000. Very good. And Grace, what is the place value of 7 in this number?
7,000.
7,000. Very good. And Arsenio, what is the place value of 7 in this number?
7,000.
7,000. So even though we have the same number, which is 7, right? Its place value is different based on its position in that number. Do you all understand that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. So that means that we have to make sure that when we're looking at the place value of a number, we have to make sure that we pay close attention to the position of that digit in the number. All right. Arsenio, are you finished writing?
Not yet.
Okay. So Najara, are you finished writing or are you still writing?
I'm still writing.
Okay, how about you, Vashti?
I done.
You're done? Okay, that's good. All right, just waiting for you for the rest of you to finish writing, so that we can move on to the next slide. So we're looking at the position of stuff, Vashti. We have the ones place, right? What comes after the ones place?
Tens.
The tens, very good. The tens place. And what comes after the tens, Vashti?
Hundreds.
Hundreds, very good. And Grace, what comes after tens?
Hundreds.
Hundreds, very good. And Campbell, what comes after hundreds?
Thousands.
Thousands, very good. And Campbell, what comes after thousands?
10,000.
10,000s, very good. And Arsenio, what comes after 10,000? Mm.
100,
Say it again.
100,000.
100,000, very good. And Vashti, I'm sorry, not Vashti, Asia, what comes after 100,000?
Million.
A million, very good. And who wanna go next? Okay, Campbell, what comes after a million? Oh boy.
10 million.
10 million. Vashti, what comes after 10 million?
100 million.
100 million, very good. Who else raised their hand? Let me see. Arsenio, what comes after 100 million?
1 billion.
Say it again.
1 billion.
1 billion, very good. 1 billion. Okay, so raise your hand if you wish you had $1 billion. Wish you had $1 billion. Ah, okay, good. All right, so are we done with writing this down? Because we have to move.
No, sir.
No, you're still writing? Okay, what are you on?
Yeah.
What are you on now? Campbell, what are you on now?
I was on digits. I'm an R now.
You on
R.
R, okay. Are the same, okay. And Grace, you finished writing too?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So it's very important to know your place value because that's going to tell you the position and that's going to tell you how much that number is worth or that digit is worth within a given number, okay? So, Vashti, you finished writing, right?
No, sir. I'm done.
You're done? Okay. So let me give you an example since you finish. Let's say we have 9, 0, 7, 3. What is the place value of 9 in this digit? I mean, in this number, Vashti?
Thousands.
Say it again.
Thousands.
The place value of 9. The place value of 9.
9,000.
9,000. Very good. 9,000. Najara, you have a question?
I'm done.
You're finished as well. That's good. Um, Grace, I have this number. What is the place value of 9 in this digit? Sorry, what is the place value of 9 in this number?
90
90 or 9 what?
tens.
Very good. 90 or 9 tens. Very good. Okay. And Campbell, what's question for you? If we have 9, 1, 4, and 8. What is the place value of 9 in this number?
900.
900s. Very good. 900s. Okay, excellent. So everyone is finished writing, right? We could move on from the next slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Arsenio, are you finished?
Yes, sir, I'm just drawing my margin line.
Okay, good. All right, so let's move on to the grade exercise. Well, examples first before the grade exercise. So we already did this. Okay, so I want you to be, one more thing. We have to draw the place value chart. So for this one, you can need a ruler to be able to draw this properly, all right? So, so the place value chart is, so write this down for me, please. The place value chart is a very useful table that helps us to find the place value of each digit based on its position. So you can need to draw the place value chart and then start with ones, and after ones, like you all said, after you go from ones, then you go to tens, then after you go to tens, you go to hundreds, then after hundreds, you go to thousands, and then after thousands, you go to 10,000s, and then after 10,000, you go to 100,000s. We're gonna stop at a million. We're not gonna go more than that. But you know, after millions, and you have billions, okay? So I need you to write this down and draw this chart for me, please. Okay. Now, Grace, can you read that paragraph on the top, please? The place value chart.
The place value chart is a very useful table format that helps us in finding the place value of each digit based on its position in a number.
Very good, thank you. And Arsenio, can you read the paragraph above?
The place value chart is a very useful table format that helps us in finding the place value of each digit based on its position in a number.
Very good. Very good. And Najara, what does the place value help us to find? So, sorry, what does the place value chart help us to find?
It helps us find the value of each digit based on its position in a number.
Very good, based on the position. Okay. Good. And Arsenio, what are you on right now, Arsenio?
Second place value.
The second place value, okay. How about you, Asia? What are you on now in your writing?
I'm about to start drawing the chart.
You're about to start drawing the chart. Okay, that's good. And Campbell, what do you want now?
Digit.
Digit? Okay, you're still writing the paragraph above. Grace, what are you on right now?
I'm on the 10,000s column.
You're in the 10,000s column. Okay, that's good. And Arsenio, what are you on now in your writing?
Place value chart.
Place value chart. Which one? Which
The one at the bottom.
I mean which one? Ones, tens, hundreds? Which one you on?
One.
One the ones, okay. Make sure your table is drawn neatly, please. Again, make sure your table is drawn neatly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Make sure it's drawn neatly. All right, Vashti, what are you on, Vashti?
I'm about to draw the place value chart.
Okay, you're about to draw the place value chart. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Shanton, can you hear me? Where's Shanton? Is Shanton now? Okay, wait, he hasn't joined probably yet. Grace, are you finished with the chart?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. So once
Do
you
we
finish,
need the color?
no, you don't need to color it. You don't need to color it. So once you finish with your notes, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp before we move on to the grade exercise. Again, take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp once you finish. How about you, Asia? What are you on now?
I'm on thousands on the place value chart.
That's good. Vashti, you have a question?
Yes, sir. My mom is to work, so she has to send it to you when she comes back from work.
Okay, even though that's the case, I need to see, once you finish it, I need you to, I need to see your book. Just put your camera up on your book and I can see it, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Are we writing this?
good afternoon, remember?
Good afternoon.
Okay, so we are writing this, yes, you're writing this down, but I need to explain it to you, okay? So
Okay.
it's not okay, remember?
I mean, yes, sir.
All right, so this is how it goes. So this is the place value chart that we started yesterday. So if you look at it, the first one that we have is the ones place, and then after the ones place is the what?
The tens,
The tens place, and after the tens is the what?
100 place,
Hundreds place. After that is the what?
thousands place,
Thousands, and then after that is,
10,000s,
and then after that is,
100,000s,
and then after that
millions.
it's the millions. Okay. So we use the place value chart to help us define the place value of the digit based on its position. All right. So once you are familiar with the place value chart, that can help you in determining the place value of a number in the place value of a digit in a number. All right. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. So copy this down for me. Grace, where's Grace? Grace, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna need you to write much more and neater than this. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
And also write down the subject and the topic. Right? The subject
sir.
was mathematics and the topic is place value chart part 1. So make sure I write that down. Najara, you have a question for me?
I sent it to you.
Whose phone is this?
It's mine.
Your phone? Okay. The picture is it's very blurry. I could barely see it. Can you take another picture?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I could barely see that. Arsenio, what are you on now?
I'm about to thank you.
You're about to send it to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And Chanton, what are you on now?
I'm on chat is a very useful table.
Very useful table. Okay, good. And Asia, what are you on?
I'm finished. I'm going to send it to you right now.
Okay, that's good. Grace, where's Grace? Grace, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Did you make the correction?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Najara, did you head up?
Yes, sir.
So I need to see that part as
On
well.
the
Yeah, I need to see that part as well.
that one.
Yeah, I need to see that part as well. So Grace also send me the first, oh, you did. No, wait. Oh, Grace, you didn't write this part. You didn't write this part here. Grace, you didn't write this part. Do you hear me, Grace?
Yes, sir. I'll write it.
Yeah, you need to write that part right now.
Do I need the place value chart?
Yes, you need to draw the place value chart. All right, make sure you use a ruler to do it. So we have, thank you, Arsenio, I got your work. Okay, Arsenio, you finished, right? Finished writing that down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. And Najari, you finished as well, right?
Yes, sir. I wanted to say I had it up on the first page.
Okay, you have to send me that too.
The first page?
Yes, the first page.
Excuse me, Mr. Patik, I'm done. I can show you it.
Okay, good. Let me see it. Let me see what you have so far. Okay, no, bring it over to the left. No, not the other side. The other side. Okay. Okay. Let me see the beginning. No, I mean the very first one. The very first page. All right, thank you so much. All right, so let's actually move from the slide. I don't want us to take too long on this. Okay, so let's go. So what we're gonna do is we're going to actually answer some questions based on this. So for this one, we're gonna get some practice, right? And so let's begin. So we're gonna do some examples first, and then after the examples, then we're gonna move on to the graded exercise. So for those persons who are still writing, make sure that you quickly write this down before I move it. All right.
I'm finished.
Who said they're finished?
Shanton Rowan.
Shantawan. Okay, that's good. That's good. Perfect. Remember at the
Do I
end,
have to, do I have to show you it?
you have to send it to me, but do that. Send it to me when we finish the graded exercise. All right.
Okay. Yes, sir.
All right. So let's begin with the graded exercise. So write this down for me, please. This is graded exercise number 1. Write this down for me. Graded exercise number 1. No, we're not graded exercise. Examples. We haven't done any examples. So let's begin with our examples. Yes, Arsenio. Arsenio, you have a question? I see your hand raised.
Right district, do we write the examples right under the place value chart?
Yes, if you have space, yeah, so write it underneath the place value chart. So question number 1 says, in the number 738, write the digit that is in A, that is in the ones place. Write the digit that is in the tens place. Yes, Arsenio?
Write it now.
Write it down.
Now. Or wait till it's finished.
No, write it now. Write it now. Write it now. Write it now. Hundreds place. Okay. So we have this number 738 or 738. And what we have to do is we have to write down the number that's in the ones place. We have to write down the number that is in the tens place. And we have to write down the number that is in the hundreds place. Can someone tell me what is the number that is in the ones place in the number 738? What number is in the ones place?
8.
8.
8.
8. Do we agree with her? That is 8.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. It is 8. So 8 is in the ones place. So we write that. You write down 8 here. Good. Now part B. You want to write down the number that is in the tens place. The number that's in the
3.
tens place is going to be what?
3.
3. Very good. 3. And finally, what's the number that's in the hundreds place?
7.
7.
7.
7.
7.
And so what that means is that the place value chart helps us to determine the position of each of these digits. So we know that 8 is in the ones place, 3 is in the tens place, and 7 is in the hundreds place. Grace, what is the place value of 7 in this number?
Hundreds.
What is the place value of 7?
700.
700. So let's ask that question. So we're gonna say, what is, so this is part D. What is the place value of 7 in the number? What are we gonna say? What's the place value of 7 in this number?
700.
We can say 700 or we can say 70. Okay, so we can say 700. Grace, I need you to pay attention, okay? You understand me?
I was just trying to plug in my tablet. It was dying.
Okay. 700. All right. So the place value of 7 in this number is 700. Okay. Or we could just put the number itself. We don't have to put the words. We can put the number itself if we want to. Or we could put, or you could write the number or the words 700 or 700. Does that make sense? Does that make sense to you all? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir.
Good. So the place value of
Yes, sir.
the place value of the place value of 7 in 738 is 700 or 700 as a number form. Okay. Now let's go and let's go to the next part. Let's write the E. So what is, yes, Najara?
We're writing this right.
So yes, you're writing this down. You're writing this down. You're writing this down. That's very important. You are writing this down. What letter are you on, Asia? A, B, C, or D, or E?
I'm on B.
You're on B. Vashti, what letter are you on?
The same letter E.
E?
Yes, sir.
You're on E. Asia, would you say you on E or B?
I'm on B.
B, okay. Shantawan, what letter are you on?
I'm on D.
You said D?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Najara Campbell, what letter are you on?
I'm on D.
D, okay. And Arsenio, what letter are you on?
I'm on E.
E?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and
I have another question.
okay, what's your question?
Yeah, do we answer them now?
Yeah, it's just our example. We're doing together. So you put 8. We're answering them now. You have to put 8 and then 3,
Okay.
and it's, you mean yes, sir? That's what you mean?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Grace? Where's Grace? What letter are you
Yes,
on?
sir.
What letter are you on?
E.
E. Okay, good. So for E, we asking ourselves the question, what is the place value of 3 in the number? It's a good question. What is the place value of 3 in this number? Does anyone know? What is the place value of 3 in this
30.
number? Say it again.
30.
30 in words. Let's do it in words first. What are we going to put in words? We're going to say what?
3 tens.
3 tens. Very good.
3 tenths.
Very good. 3 tens. Or what?
30.
Or 30. Very good. So we could say 30. Spell 30 for me. How do you spell 30?
T-A-R-I-R-C-Y.
I-R-C-Y. Very good. 30. So the place value of 3 in this number is 3 tens or 30. You all understand that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Perfect. So in this number 738, the place value of 3 is 3 tens or 30. Oh, why did I didn't need to write, I didn't write it twice. We should write the number, right? So let's write the number 30. Already wrote the words before, so 30. What do you prefer to write? You prefer to write the number or you prefer to write the word?
The number.
The number.
It's
Number.
quicker.
The number.
The number, okay. Both are correct. The number and the word. So 700 or 3 tens or 30, both are correct. All right, Asia, what number you on now? Or so what letter you on?
I'm on D.
D, okay. And Najara, what letter are you on?
E.
E. Okay. All right. Let's move on to the next question. So the next question, which is A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's use F. It's what is the place value of what? Of 8.
8.
The number. So let's see. So we want the place value of 8, right? Now the place value of 8 is going to be what?
8 1.
8 what?
Ones.
8.
8 ones.
8 what?
ones.
8 ones. Very good.
Or 8.
800. 800.
800.
Or 8.
Or 8.
No. Or
800. 800. Just 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Just 8.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna write the letter, or we're gonna write the words, or we're gonna write the number.
The number.
The number.
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 The
Okay.
number.
Okay. No problem. Both are correct. You could say 8 ones, or you can say 8. All right. So which number is in the hundreds place?
3. 7. 7. Sorry.
7.
7.
7. Very good. 7. Which number is in the tens place?
3.
3.
3.
3. Very good. 3. And which number is in the ones place?
8.
8.
8. Very good. Very good. 8. All right. Write this down for me before we get into our grade exercise. Write this down for me.
I already write it down. I'm done writing it down.
You done writing it down? Okay, good.
I wrote it down already.
I'm done too.
Good. Good. All right, so now with these ones for the grade exercise, we have to be very careful. Be very careful. Pay very close attention because you don't want to get them wrong. All right. Asia, you still writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who else is still writing besides Asia? Who else is still writing? Arsenio, are you still writing?
I'm gonna just write my margin line.
Okay. Asia, what letter are you on?
I'm on E.
You on E? Which part of E?
I'm on number.
Number, okay. Okay, quick example before we go to our grade exercise while we wait on Asia. So we have, let's say we have 5, 6, 4. Good. What number is in the ones place?
4.
4.
4.
4.
4, very good. Which number is in the hundreds place?
6.
6.
6.
No, I said hundreds.
5.
5. 5.
Exactly. See where I get to? 5. And which number is in the tens place?
6.
6.
6. Very good.
6.
What is the place value of 5 in this number?
500.
5.
500.
500.
500.
500 of that.
Okay, good. What is the place value of 4?
4.
4 ones.
4.
4
4
4.
1,
one.
4.
4
4
ones.
ones are 4. Okay. What's the place value of 6 in this number?
60 or
6.
6 10,
10.
60 or 10.
60 or?
60 or 6 10.
6 tens.
Very good.
6 10.
60 or 6 tens. Very good. All right. So let's go on. Okay, good.
I'm finished.
Good. All right. So let's move on to the grade exercise for today. Like I said, please be very careful because you don't want to make a mistake. Yes, Arsenio?
Do we need to send a steal now?
No, not yet. We have to do grade exercise first. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's move on. Okay. So grade exercise number 1. Write this down for me, please. Grade exercise number 1. How many persons think they can get 100? Raise your hand if you think you're going to get 100 in this. Okay. 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 All right. Let's see. Let's see. I hope all of you get 100. 100%. Nothing lower. So let's see how it goes. All right. So I'm going to give you 2 questions. Number 1. So in the number 4, 5, and 9, write the digit that is in a tens place, hundreds place, and C ones place. And then part A, B, C, D, E, B, C, D. What is the place value of 5 in the number What is the place value of 6 or 4 in the number CT? Did we go to F? Yeah, we had F. And finally, F. What is the place value of 9 in the number? Okay, I'm going to give you this first one. If you are finished, then I want you to take a picture of your work and send it to me. And whoever is finished, then you could go, I give you an extended exercise, but you only do the extended exercise once you finish with the first one. Okay, so let's see if we can finish this one. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts of this question. In the number 4, 5, 9, write the digit that is in the tens place, hundreds place, ones place. What is the place value of 5 in this number? What is the place value of 4 in this number? What is the place value of 9 in this number? All right, you could write the number or you could write the words. Okay, Vashti, what letter are you on?
Going on to F.
Going on to F. All right, and Asia, what number you on?
I'm on C.
C. Campbell, what number you on? Or letter, sorry.
I'm on E.
E, okay, good. Arsenio, what letter are you on?
F.
F. And Shanton Roll, what letter are you on?
I'm on F too.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, I'm done.
Okay, who said that finish?
I'm done too.
Okay, if you're finished, take a picture of your notes as well as your grade exercise, please. If you're done, take a picture of your notes as well as your grade exercise.
My mom is at work.
Oh, Vashti, that's correct. You did say that.
My mom sent it.
All right. So that's Vashti and Shanton. Let me check. So I got Grace, you sent in your work, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I need you to use a ruler to draw your lines. Make sure draw your lines with a ruler. All right. I see
Yes,
your.
sir.
Okay, so what I need you to do, for those of you who are finished with this, only those who are finished with this, I'm gonna put the next part inside the chat. This is only for those who are finished with this. All right, only for those who are finished with this. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
My mom is going to send it now.
okay. So for those of you who are finished,
Excuse me.
uh-huh.
The examples too.
Yeah, send everything. All right, I posted the next part of the work in the chat. It's only for those who are finished. Yes, Najara. Najara.
Sorry, that was from last time.
That's the last time. Okay. Okay. Do y'all see the extra work for those who are finished? Do y'all see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I need you to do that. That's 2 and 3.
I'm done. I sent it.
Okay. Najara Campbell. Okay, thank you, Najara. So that means that we need to go to the.
The left bottom is at the exercise, and then the whole other page after.
Say it again.
No, yeah, the page. Yeah.
You talking to me, Arsenio?
Sorry.
Oh, okay. I thought you was talking to me.
Mr. Petit, I can't see the rest of it. I only could see ones and tens.
You only could see 1s and 10s?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me send it again. How about now?
I can see it now.
Okay, good. Um, Asia, are you finished with this?
No, sir.
All right.
I'm on D.
Okay. All right, very good. All right, so let's go. Asia, you finished with this?
I'm on E now.
You're on E now? Okay, good. All right, so what number you want on the second one, Najara?
I'm on A.
You want A, number 2A?
Yes, sir. I just
Okay,
started.
you just starting it. And Vashti, what number you on?
I'm just starting it too.
Okay. Grace, please remember that you're on camera, okay? So you can't do that big scratch. Where's Grace? You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Good. What are you on? You on number 2, A, B, or C?
I'm on number 3 in the extra exercise.
On the second one? Okay, good. Asia, you have to write faster, okay? Because we are on the second one.
Yes, sir.
Good. Where's Shanton?
I'm here.
You on the first one or the second one?
The second one.
Okay. What number?
B.
2B?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, how about you, Vashti? How about you, Vashti?
I'm going on number 2.
On number 2, okay, that's good. Arsenio, where's Arsenio? Arsenio, can you hear me?
I'm on number 3 now.
Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
what number you on?
Me?
Arsenio? Yes, Arsenio, what number you on? What number
I
you on?
just started the extra.
You just started the extra ones? Okay. And Najara Campbell, what number you on?
I'm writing instructions for 3.
Okay.
I'm finished with the first one.
Okay, that's good. Who said they're finished with the first one?
Asia.
Me.
Okay. All right, so I think that's everyone. Asia, can you send your work in before we go on to to give the answers? Send your work in for me, please.
Yes, sir.
So once Asia send in her work, we can go ahead and finish. We can go ahead and answer these questions for the grade exercise. Vashti, I'm not Vashti. Arsenio, what number you on?
Number,
Say it again.
number 2.
Number 2, what? A,
I
B,
mean,
or
1B.
say it again?
1B.
1B. You finished for this grade exercise, right?
Yes, sir.
You won the second one.
You mean the extra?
Yeah, the extra. Yeah.
No, I'm still in the first one. I'm on.
What letter you on the first one?
Let me see. I'm sort of confused. There's some saying 3.
There's some
There's different sets saying 3.
saying
3.
3. Oh, no. I mean, if you the one on the screen, did you finish this one?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. I put two of the same thing. I put two of the same thing because the young lady wanted to see it. So those are two of the same things.
Okay.
Okay,
I mean,
Asia, you finish your work?
I just finished something in my work.
Okay, good. All right, stop what you're doing and let's answer these questions. Stop what you're doing, let's answer these questions. So it says in the number 459, write the digit that is in the tens place. So what digit is in the tens place? What do we have for that one?
5.
What y'all have for that one?
5.
5.
5, good.
5.
5.
And
5.
very good. I need everyone to answer, please. What number what y'all have for part A? The tens place.
5.
5.
5.
5.
5. Very good. 5, good. Which digit is in the hundreds place?
4.
4.
4.
4.
4, very good. 4. How about the ones place?
9.
9.
9.
9.
9.
9, very
Write a
good.
tick next to it.
Yeah, if you got it right, please put a tick. If you got it wrong, please make a correction. If you got it right, please put a tick. If you got it wrong, please make the correction. Anyone got 3 out of 3 so far?
I got it.
I got it.
Very good.
I
Excellent
got
job.
it.
Good job.
I got everything.
Very good. What is the place value of 5 in the number?
The tens place.
No, what's the place value? The place value.
5 tens.
50. 50.
5 tens or?
50.
Very good.
50.
5 tens or 50. So what did y'all write? 5 tens or 50?
I write 50.
I
Right,
write
50. Right, 50. So we can write 5 tens or 50. Either one of them works, okay?
I wrote
I write
both.
5 tens.
I write both.
No, don't write both. Pick one, okay? Pick one.
Yes,
Okay, what is the place value of 4 in the number?
400 or
200.
400 or 4 tens?
400.
Very good. Shanton, did you get this right?
400 or 400.
Very good. Shanton, where's Shanton?
I'm here.
Did you get it right?
No.
Pardon? Did you get it right?
No, sir.
What did you get wrong?
I'm for number E.
What you put?
I misinput ones.
Oh, you simple ones. Okay, be careful. Make a correction. What is the place value of 9 in the number?
9 1.
9 ones or 9.
9 ones or 9. Very good. 9 ones or 9. Okay, good. How many persons got all right? Let me know if you got all right, please.
I got all right.
I
Very
got
good.
all right.
Very good. Vashti. Anyone else got all right?
I got all
I
right.
got all right.
Very good. Anyone got one wrong? Just one wrong. Just one wrong. Just one wrong. No? Anyone got one wrong? Okay, that's good. So let's move on to the next grade exercise. Let's go move on to that one. So for this one, we have to pay very close attention because the number is going to be bigger. So I also already did this. Already did this. Okay, so look at these examples. You don't have to write this one down. Let's look at it. All right, let's look at it. How do we how do we pronounce this number? Anyone want to try and pronounce this number? Anyone want to try and pronounce this number? How do we pronounce this number? Do you have any volunteers? Anyone raise their hand who want to pronounce the number? Vashti, go ahead, Vashti. And then I gotta ask Campbell to do it after you. Go ahead.
392,846.
Say it again.
392,846.
Very good, very good. Grace, please stop writing on my screen. Very good, Vashti. That's the correct pronunciation. Go ahead, Campbell, pronounce that number.
392,846.
Very good. 392,846. And Asia, pronounce this number for me, please.
540.
No, this one. This one.
Oh. 392,846.
Very good. Chanton, pronounce this number for me, please.
392,846.
Very good. Who did not go? Grace, pronounce this number for me, please.
392,846.
Very good. And Arsenio, pronounce this number for me, please.
300,009.
No. 300.
392,846.
Very good. So the number is 392,846. So with this number, which number is in the hundreds place? Which number is in the hundreds place?
8.
What number is in the hundreds place?
8.
8.
Do you agree with her?
8.
8. Yes, 8. 8 is correct. For B, what number is in the hundred thousands place?
9.
9.
100,000 place.
9.
9. 9.
Nine.
Very good. 9. For C, which number is in the 10,000 place?
2.
2.
2.
2.
2. Very good.
2.
2. Very good. 2. For D, which number is in the ones place?
6.
6.
6. 6. Very good.
6.
6. So do y'all understand that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
So,
Let's do the next one. So we have in the number, pronounce this number for me.
In the number
500,000. 548,291.
91.
Write
Okay.
the digit
That is in the.
write the
that
digit.
is in.
Okay, so this one I want you to answer inside the chat. Do not copy each other. Answer it inside the chat. So answer, put A and then put your answer, put B and then put your answer, put C and then put your answer, and then put D and then put your answer. All right. What number is in the hundreds place? Put A and then put your answer. Which number is in the 100,000s place? Which number is in the 10,000 place? And what number is in the ones place? All right.
Put it all together.
You could do it one by one if you wanna quickly write. All right. So which number is in the hundreds place? Which number is in the 100,000s place? Which number is in the 10,000s place? And which number is in the ones place? All right. Put your answer inside the chat for me, please. Shanton, are you putting your answer inside the chat?
Say it again.
Are you putting your answers inside the chat?
Yes, sir.
What? Which number is in the hundreds place? Which number is in the 100,000s place? Which number is in the tens place? Which number is in the ones place? What y'all have? Okay. Arsenio answered. Okay. Grace, Vashti, Najari, Arsenio, Shanton, Arsenio. Okay, good. Make sure I put the letter before you put the number because I need to know which letter you're talking about. So put A and then put your answer, put B, then put your answer, C, then put your answer, and then D, put your answer. Which number is in the hundreds place, 100,000s place, 10,000s place, or ones place? Okay. All right. Are y'all finished? Let me know if you finish. Najara Campbell, are you finished?
I'm finished.
Okay, that's good.
I'm finished.
Okay. All right. Who else is
I'm
finished?
finished.
Who else is finished?
I'm finished.
Okay, good. So let's answer these together, right? So for hundreds place, which number is in the hundreds place for this one?
2.
2. 2. Do y'all have 2? Let me know if y'all have 2.
2.
2.
2.
Okay, good. For 100,000s place, what number y'all have for that one?
5.
5.
5. Very
5.
good. 5.
5. 5.
5. For
5.
10,000s place, what number y'all have for that one?
4.
4.
4.
4.
4. Very good. 4.
4.
For ones place, what number y'all have? Yeah.
1.
1.
1.
1. Very good.
1.
1.
1.
How many persons got all right? Let me know if you got all
I
right.
got all
I
right.
did.
Okay.
I got all right.
Excellent.
I got all right on
I
the
get
first.
all right.
Very good. Very good.
Oh.
Very good. Okay. All right. So now for the grand finale. So let's write this down. Let's pronounce this number. So we have this number. All right. Does anyone know how to pronounce this number? Anyone want to try? I
1 million.
I see Grace hand is raised. Go ahead, Grace, try. Go ahead, Grace.
1 million.
No, it's not a million. It's not a million. It's not a million. Vashti, you want to try? Then Campbell.
1,672,672,532,000.
No. 34. Very good. Very good. Vashti. Campbell, let me hear you.
1,672,598,034.
Very good. Excellent. Who else want to go? Arsenio, go ahead.
1,672,598,034.
No. Yes, that's actually correct. I'm sorry. That's correct. That's correct.
Can I
That's
go
correct.
after?
Go ahead, Shanton.
1,672,598,034.
Very good. And go ahead. Who has not gone yet? Who has not gone yet? Asia. Go ahead, Asia.
1,672,598,034.
Very good. Very good. I want you to write this number down. Write this number down and go to your parent, your mommy or your daddy, and tell them this number that you know how to pronounce. All right, write this number down and go to either mommy or daddy and pronounce this number for them. Okay. 1,672,598,034. All right.
Set to go to them.
All right. Once you finish, write down this number, you can leave. What are you gonna do when you write this number down? What are you gonna go? What are you gonna do?
Tell our parents.
Tell the parents the right
Tell our
number.
parents.
Parents.
How do you
Tell our
pronounce this number?
parents
How do you pronounce this number before you go?
1,000,000,000
1
Billion.
billion
172,000,000
One
534,000
billion six
334.
34. 600 and sorry, and then 34. Okay, good. All right. Thank you. Once you write this number down, you can leave. All right. Have a good day.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Same
You
Bye.
time,
too.
4:30.
See you tomorrow.
All right. Have a good day.
See you
Bye.
tomorrow.
See you later.
Bye.
Take care, everyone. You y'all have this number? Y'all have this number? Campbell?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have it too.
You have it?
Yes, I'm leaving now.
Okay. Arsenio, you have this number?
Do you want me to write it?
You write this number down?
No, not yet.
You have to write that number down. Remember, you have to tell your parents the number.
Okay. Yes,
Quickly,
sir.
quickly write it down. I have to go. You finished, write it?
I'm done.
All right. Take care.
Bye.